Anong sagot dito? She blank in the library since this morning. Studies, study, has studied, has been studying. Keywords natin dito, since this morning. Tandaan nyo na kapag may mga ganyang words, since this morning, since last week, since last year, o kaya for over 2 hours, for 2 years now, mga ganon, nag-e-express yan ng kilos na nag-start in the past, pero nagko-continue pa rin in the present and probably magko-continue pa rin in the future. At kapag ganon ang ini-indicate natin kilos, ang tense na gagamitin natin ay present, perfect, progressive. At ang formula ng present perfect progressive ay has or have plus been plus yung ing form ng verb. So, alin dito ang present perfect progressive? Letter D. Has been studying. And since she nga yung ating subject dito, gumamit tayo ng has.